The Baker Fellowship and the Baker Prize did one key thing. It made me think it's possible the people in my lab could do startups, that we could be successful at it, and that's a huge change.
One of the biggest things that came out of winning the Baker Fellowship was the knowledge that somebody believes in this as a project that has a potential value or impact in the world.
The Baker Fellowship allowed me to turn something that started off as a vision, as a dream, into some sort of a reality.
For more than a century, UC Berkeley has been considered a top research university, changing society on a global scale. But in the 21st century, we're redefining what it means to be a top research university. Through awards, fellowships, and prizes, the Baker Fellows Program helps bring the pioneering spirit of deep science discovery to tangible entrepreneurship.
My lab focuses on brain plasticity, and we had a discovery. The initial finding was tracing step by step from an initial event of traumatic brain injury to the development of epilepsy. Understanding of this biology then helped us understand other processes like cognitive decline or even dementia. I applied for the Baker Fellowship, and then that allowed thinking about our science in a very different realm. Societal impact of what we do became a regular question for me now in anything that we're doing.
What we're investigating here in this lab is whether we can 3D print the roof of the building with concrete with the same technique that we might use for 3D printing the wall. The Baker Fellowship supports me and my team in various ways. You get mentorship, bring your research into the next level and actually transition over to a product or a startup idea and make the parts stronger and more load-bearing so that we can become actually products for the industry.
We had this project that was done in collaboration with Tara DeBoer, focused on solving this very important medical problem, which is which patients who suffer from urinary tract infection have bacterial drug resistance.
For me, the Baker Spark program was really the most important part, I think, of BioAmp's start of our journey in many ways, because it did give me the confidence that I could move this technology from the walls of the academic realm and move it out into the global world.
The Baker Fellowship has helped us solidify our collaboration with BioAmp Diagnostics and helped us develop new and better tests that are more streamlined and more directly focused on what the physicians actually want.
The Baker Fellows Program is multifaceted, which means that it's transforming Berkeley's culture in ways that are often surprising.
If I wanted to take this discovery and actually make that into a drug, and that's something that Baker Fellowship allowed us to think about.
I'm able to have this equipment around, bring the students in, and then show them how they can use machines like a robot to build constructions in a way that they have never done before.
Usually the best postdocs and graduate students wanted to go into academics and be professors. Now they want to be founders of companies, and I think that's absolutely fantastic.
Berkeley is now ranked in the top 3 for number of venture capital-based startups, women-led VC-backed startups, capital raised, and number of serial entrepreneurs.
I never would have taken this journey if the stars had not aligned and I had not been a part of the Baker program and Professor Murthy's group.
From cancer diagnosis to biodegradable plastics and almost everything in between, the Baker Fellows Program is poised to continue bringing UC Berkeley's brilliant scientific creativity to fruition on a global market scale for many decades to come.